and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of color theory. Understanding how a color wheel functions will greatly enhance your watercolor painting skills and help you blend colors more effectively. Color theory is fundamental in all art forms, including watercolor, which I'll be demonstrating today. To start, we have the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. From these, you can mix all other colors, including black. Next, we have the secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Following that, there are the tertiary colors, which include red-purple, red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, and blue-purple. These colors can also be categorized in two groups, warm and cool colors. You can utilize a color wheel to blend colors for creating shadows in your paintings. While your instinct may be to incorporate black or gray, adding black to darken your colors will alter the original color. This isn't necessarily wrong if that's the effect you're aiming for. It's perfectly acceptable. When I add shading to my artwork, I prefer to mix in the complementary color based on the color wheel. Let me demonstrate this with the blueberry. I will begin with the lightest shade I want in the painting, by using a lot of water in my paint. Notice how translucent it appears. This stage may not seem the most impressive, but it's crucial because you can't achieve these light shades once the darker ones are applied. Building up colors in this manner adds depth to your artwork. Next, it's time to introduce the shadows. Since my blueberry is blue, the opposite or complementary color is orange. Let's see what happens when I mix these two colors. It results in a darker shade of blue. This method creates a more natural shadow since the blue remains present in the shadow. Let's do another blueberry, but instead of adding the complementary color for shading, I'm going to add black. As a result, it appears much flatter and less realistic. Taking some time to study these colors and using a color wheel to guide your color combinations will greatly enhance your painting journey and make the process more enjoyable. I'd love to hear if you've tried this and what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything, and I'll see you in the next video.